Africa is alive. Africa is restless. But Africa is tired. Tired of being told our youth are the problem. Tired of struggling in silence, carrying fear, anxiety, and pressure no one talks about. I see enough. It is time to rise. It is time to reimagine Africa. I see young people walking miles to school, dropping dreams along the way. I see brilliant minds trapped in poverty, by stigma, by mental battles no one noticed. These struggles are real, and they are holding us back. Not because we lack talent, but because we lack space, support, and belief. I imagine a new Africa, where youth lift each other up, where mental health matters as much as grades, where mentorship and innovation cross borders, where we turn local problems into global solutions. Imagine tech hubs in every community, peer support networks and projects driven by creativity and care. This is not fantasy. This is practical. This is us. This is Africa reclaiming itself. We are the heartbeat of Africa. Our identity is power. Our dreams are weapons. And our courage, even in the face of fear and doubt, we can spark a movement. Every young person has a voice. Every voice can ignite change. Every dream, idea can reshape the future. I see Africa where we are heard, where mental health is valued, where youth lead boldly and unapologetically. I see an Africa where we don't wait for permission. We create, we care, we act. This is our moment. This is our fight. This is our Africa. Rising, fierce, and unstoppable.